Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to add products in Odoo. Let's get started. First go to odoo.com, log in your account, and this action will lead you to your dashboard where you will click on the inventory option. In this new page, click on products from the navigation menu, then click products again from the drop-down. In this new tab, click on New from the top left corner. In this new page, start by setting up the necessary details and information about the product you want to add. Under this General Information tab, give it a product name, product type, track inventory, quantity, sales, cost, and more. Next, under this Inventory tab, add the weight, volume, descriptions, and more. Once you're done, save your product by clicking on this cloud icon labeled Save Manually. And that is how you can add products in Odoo. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.